Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Sharkoon SKILLER SGS30 PU and fabric gaming chairs. So friends, Sharkoon introduced a high quality gaming chair in two model versions, one with stylish synthetic leather cover and another with breathable fabric cover. So friend, for the extra relaxation of spine, both versions will come with headrest and lumbar cushions made with memory foam. And friend, the backrest of the chair can be reclined and lock off up to 165 degree, allowing the user to lie back and take a rest. And friend, the seat base is thickly padded and making it particularly comfortable. And friend, the fabric version is available in a black and light grey color scheme with the seams along the contours of the backrest. And friend, the synthetic laser version is available in 4 different color scheme: black with subtle color accents in either beige or white, and black with playful color accents either pink or red. And friend, the frame construction of the seat is made of steel. The 5-star base is made of aluminium, and friend, this should ensure a secure hold at all times. And friend, the 575 wheels with lock function support the stability, as does the class 4 gas lift piston. And friend, if I talk about the pricing and availability, it is now available to purchase and priced at 299 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.